Hello children, today we are going to do the next two exercises of algebraic identities and expressions. Now children, what is an identity? It's an equality true for every value of the variable in it is called an identity. So there are some ready identities to use to do the multiplication of multinomials. So using them we are going to do the next multiplications. Now let us see some standard identities. The first one is a plus b, the bracket square. So means a plus b is multiplied with a plus b. So when you multiply, you will get a square plus 2ab plus b square. How this a square plus 2ab plus b square is derived? That a is multiplied with the second whole bracket and b is multiplied with the second whole bracket. And when you simplify it, you will get a square plus 2ab plus b square. So instead of doing all that, here the direct answers are given. You can use them to do your multiplication of monomials. Next is a minus b square is what? A minus b into a minus b. So it is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So there is only one sign difference, that is in the first one it was plus 2ab, here it's 2ab is negative. Next a plus b, a minus b. So there are two brackets, one is with positive b, one with negative b. So that gives you a square minus b square. The last one is x plus a and into x plus b. So here three variables are used, x, a and b. The answer is x square plus x in the bracket a plus b plus ab. So if there are two variables a and b or any other variable, you can use the first three identities, and if there are three variables, you can use the last one. We'll see how we are going to use this in the solving the multiplication and find the product. Let us start with the exercise now. First is 2y plus 5 and 2y plus 5. So it is 2y plus 5 the whole bracket square. It is in the form of, there are two terms, one is 2y and the other is 5. So we will consider 2y as a and 5 as b, and then we will solve it. So how we are going to solve it? A plus b the whole bracket square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now here we are going to consider 2y as a, so 2y square, 5 as b, so 5 square will be at the end, and in between 2ab is 2 into 2y into 5. So that gives us 2 square is 4, y square is y square, so 4y square plus 20y plus 25, that is 5 square. So that is your answer. Now we will find out square of numbers using the same identity. Now 71 square. So instead of doing 71 into 71, how we are going to do? Using the identity, we are going to split it in two parts. That is 70 plus 1, the whole bracket is square. So that is 70 plus 1, 70 plus 1. So 70 we are going to consider as a and then 1 as b. So first a square is 70 square. Last is b square is 1 square, and in between 2ab, that is 2 into 70 into 1. So when you solve it, you will get 4900 plus 140 plus 1, that gives us 5041. Next, using the second identity a minus b the whole bracket square, we are going to do two sums. So b minus 7 the whole bracket square. So here we are going to consider b as a and 7 as b. Now a square minus 2ab plus b square we are going to replace with a square with b square minus 2ab is 2 into b into 7 and plus b square is 7 square. So that gives us b square minus 14b plus 49. We'll do this the next sum, that is 99 square, using the same identity. So how we are going to write 99? It is 100 minus 1, that gives us 99. So 100 minus 1 whole bracket square is 100 minus 1 into 100 minus 1. So a minus b square identity we are going to use. Here we are going to consider 100 as a and 1 as b. So a square is 100 square the second sign will be negative, that is 2ab is 2 into 100 into 1, and the last is positive b square. So b square is 1 square. When you open it, 100 square is 10,000 minus 200 plus 1, that gives us 9,801. Next, using the third identity, 6x plus 7 and 6x minus 7. So one sign is positive, one sign is negative. A and B is used as variable. So we are considering 6x as A and 7 as B. So what will the answer? The answer will be A square and B square. So what is A here? 6x is A. So A square means 6x square and b square is 7 square. So 6x square is 36x square and 7 square is minus 49. Now next is 78 into 82. Now 78, how you are going to write? 80 minus 2, that gives us 78, and 80 plus 2, that gives us 82. So the first number 80 we are going to consider as A and 2 as B. So it is in the form of A minus B and A plus B. So the answer will be A square minus B square. So what is A square? That is 80 square minus B square is 2 square. That gives us 6,400 minus 4. That gives you 6,394. Next, 51 square minus 49 square. So it is 59. 1 square we are going to consider as A square and minus 49 square is considered as B square. So what is 51? That is A plus B, and 49 is A plus B. So we are going to consider A as 51 and B as 49. So A plus B is 41 plus 49 and A minus B is 51 minus 49. So 51 plus 49 is 100. 51 minus 49 is 2. So 100 into 2 is 200. Now next one, using the three variables, that is x plus 3 and x plus 7. So here x, 3 and 7, three variables or three numbers are there. So using the last identity we are going to solve this. So x consider as x only, 3 as A and 7 as B. So what formula we are going to use? That is x square plus x, A plus B plus AB. So replace the numbers. X square will be as x square, x is as x, A is 3, B is 7, and here plus last A into B is 3 into 7. So x square is as it is, 3 plus 7 is 10, into x is 10x, and 7 into 3 is 21. So our answer is x square plus 10x plus 21. Next, 103 into 104. So using same identity we are going to solve. What is 103? That is 100 plus 3. 104 is 100 plus 4. So here x as 100 as x, 3 as A and 4 as B. So x square plus x, A plus B plus AB. So x square is 100 square plus 100 in the bracket A plus B, we are replaced with 3 plus 4, and last is A into B, that is 3 into 4. So 10,000 is 100 square plus 3 plus 4 is 7 into 100 is 700, 3 into 4 is 12. So that gives us 10,712. So here we end with the exercise, children. Complete the next exercise, whatever are there, and complete the